Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming which Google account holds the credit. This ensures you spend the right balance. Once signed in, open the Google Play app or visit the Play website. Tap your profile icon, then choose Payments and Subscriptions and Payment Methods. This reveals your Play balance and linked payment options. Do this immediately so you can pick items priced within your credit. If you see multiple accounts, switch to the one that lists the dollar amount you want to use. Next, locate the item you want and open its store page. Tap the Price or Get button to start checkout, then tap Payment Methods and select Google Play Balance as your primary method. If the balance doesn't fully cover the purchase, Play will prompt you to add another payment method to cover the remainder. Make sure to confirm the total before finalizing. Once you press Buy, the charge applies immediately and you'll get a receipt in your account email and in order history. Finally, verify the transaction by checking order history. This shows receipts and refund windows. If your balance is low, you can redeem a Play gift card or add funds through supported payment methods to complete purchases. If a payment fails, first make sure your device is online and your account is synced, then update the Play app and retry. If problems persist, contact Google Play support with the order ID. These steps prevent lost purchases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.